This is the part 4 of the series of the weekly MCQs. Let's start. पार्ट 1 और पार्ट टू एंड पार्ट 3 का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, वहाँ से आप इसको वॉच कर सकते हैं. गाइस, बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस सितंबर का मैं स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट. 76th question is Tata Steel has collaborated with which organization to work together in the areas of carbon capture, utilization and storage? Its answer is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. Next question: which state government has signed MOU with Danish Water Forum in water sector? Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra or Gujarat? Its answer is Gujarat. Next question: name the person who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bengal Peerless. Options are Viren Sehwag, Rahul Dravid, Saurav Ganguly, Yuvraj Singh, Mohammad Kaif. Its answer is Saurav Ganguly. Next question: find the organization which has organized the GCTC Energy Security Conference addressed by Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Dharmendra Pradhan. Its answer is Global Counter-Terrorism Council. Next question: the 6th Joint Consultative Commission meet between India and which country held recently? Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan or Pakistan? Its answer is Bangladesh. Next question: the Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of 100% equity shareholding of Coworks India by which company? Onex, KKR and Company, Carlyle, Brookfield or Veritas? Its answer is Brookfield. Next question: name the wicketkeeper who has contributed for the most number of dismissals T20 internationals. Rishabh Pant, MS Dhoni, Sushma Verma, Alyssa Haley or none of the above? Its answer is Alyssa Haley. Next question: International Translation Day was observed annually on September 30. Theme for 2020. Its answer is Finding the Words for a World in Crisis. Next question: India has successfully had test fired the which supersonic cruise missile with a strike range of over 400 kilometers? Prahar, Agni, BrahMos, Nirbhay or Prithvi? Its answer is BrahMos. Next question: General Atlantic plans to buy how much percentage stake of Reliance Retail Ventures Limited? Its answer is 0.84%. Next question: who represented India at third edition of G20 Sherpa meeting took place virtually under Saudi Arabia's presidency? Prakash Javadekar, Nitin Gadkari, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Suresh Prabhu? Its answer is Suresh Prabhu. Next question. Who has launched IDEX 4 4G during IDEX virtual event from New Delhi? Options are Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nirmala Sitharaman, Prakash Javadekar, Nitin Gadkari. Its answer is Rajnath Singh. Next question: who has been appointed as the new president of Film and Television Institute of India (FTIA) Society? Its answer is Shekhar Kapoor. Next question: the Power Finance Corporation NHPC Limited signed MOU with which ministry regarding the detailing of various targets to be achieved during FY 2021? Options are Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Power, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Planning. Its answer is Ministry of Power. Next question: RBI has extended the enhanced borrowing limit for banks under marginal standing facility till which date? Its answer is March 31, 2021. Next question: name the bank which has launched a green initiative named IBE Note. Options are IDBI Bank, Union Bank of India, Indian Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Its answer is Indian Bank. Next question: Ramnath Kovind gave his nod to the taxation and other laws relaxation and amendment of certain provisions bill 2020. Who is the chairman of the Central Board of Direct Taxes? Options are M. Ajit Kumar, Rajneesh Kumar, PC Modi, Rahul Chaudhary or Sanjay Dutt. Its answer is PC Modi. Next question: name the operation which was launched by Southeastern Railway to improve security of women passengers. Option Mitra, option Shakti, option Blue Code, option My Saheli or none of the above. Its answer is option My Saheli. Next question: name the ministry which is planning to create a new Oceania territorial division by integrating Indo-Pacific and ASEAN divisions. Options are Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defence or none of the above. Its answer is Ministry of External Affairs. Next question is: name the ministry which has organized the function to lay foundation stone for Center for Disability Sports at Gwalior. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Its answer is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next question: which state government has inaugurated its full payroll power project recently? Options are Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Uttarakhand or Uttar Pradesh. Its answer is Uttarakhand. Next question, New Development Bank NDB has approved 241 million US dollar for which metro rail project, for which $500 million US dollar is approved for Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut RRTS project. Options are Bangalore Metro Rail Project, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai or Kolkata. Its answer is Mumbai Metro Rail Project. Next question, how many banks were excluded from second schedule of RBI Act 1934 in September 2020? 4 banks, 6 banks, 3 banks, 7 banks or 9 banks? Its answer is 6 banks. Next question, which bank has signed MOU with Hindustan Unilever Limited HUL to provide digital payment solution and financing solutions? Options are SBI, PNB, Canara, United Bank of India or Indian Bank. Its answer is State Bank of India. Next question, Niti Aayog has signed a statement of intent SOI with which country on decarbonization and energy transition agenda? Options are Belgium, Germany, Denmark, Netherlands, Switzerland. Sweden. Its answer is Netherlands. Next question, who heads the panel constituted by Government of India to examine Chinese foreign investment proposals? Options are PK Sinha, Rajiv Gauba, Ajay Kumar Bhalla, JK Pillai, BK Chaturvedi. Its answer is Ajay Kumar Bhalla. Next question, Vijay Vardhan has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of which states in September 2020? Options are Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Chhattisgarh or Madhya Pradesh. Its answer is Haryana. Next question, which session of United States General Assembly was held virtually from September 15 to 30? It was 75th edition, 76th edition, 74th edition, 77th edition or 73rd edition? Its answer is 75th edition. Next question, ICG Indian Coast Guard ship Kanaklata Barua, designed and built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineer GRSE Limited, was commissioned at which city? Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai or Surat? Its answer is Kolkata. Next question, which among the following telescope of Indian Astronomical Observatory IAO has completed 20 years recently? Its answer is Himalayan Chandra telescope. Next question, which among the following today was observed on October 1 every year? International Tea Day, Coffee Day, World Against Food Waste Day, World Coconut Day or World Heart Day? Its answer is World International Coffee Day. Next question, the Breast Cancer Awareness Month was observed every year on which month? It's in November, October, December, August or July? Its answer is October. Next question, which ministry has launched Project Management Information PMIS portal developed by National Capital Region Planning Board NCRPB? Ministry of Home Affairs, Health and Family Affairs, Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry, Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry, Panchayati Raj Ministry? Its answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. Next question, World Vegetarian Day observed every year on August 14, November 6, September 15, October 1 or November 1? Its answer is October 1. Next question, when was United Nations International Day of Older Persons observed annually? October 2, 29, October 1, September 30 or October 3? Its answer is October 1. Next question, who has launched a set of council CSIR technologies for rural development under the joint initiative of CSIR, UB, UIT Delhi and Vijnana Bharati? Harshvardhan, Nitin Gadkari, Prakash Javadekar, Narendra Modi or Amit Shah? Its answer is Harshvardhan. Next question, who represented India at United Nations Summit on Biodiversity held on September 30? Options are Prakash Javadekar, Nitin Gadkari, Narendra Modi, Amit Shah or Ramnath Kovind? Its answer is Prakash Javadekar. Next question, name the person who has topped the IIFL Wealth Hurun India Rich list. Kiran Majumdar, Shaw, Shiv Nadar, Mukesh Ambani, Smita V. Krishna or none of the above? Its answer is Mukesh Ambani. Next question, Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmad Al Zubair Al Sabah, known as the new Emir of which country? Qatar, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Turkey or Iran? Its answer is Kuwait. Next question, who has been appointed as the DG Additional Charge of National Security Guard NSG? VSK Kaumudi, Anup Banerjee, MV Suchendra Kumar, SS Deswal or AK Sharma? Its answer is SS Deswal. Next question, Indian aerospace startup Agnikul Cosmos signed MOU with which company to test launch of Indian made Agniban rocket in US? United Technology, Lockheed Martin, Airbus, Boeing or Alaska? Its answer is Alaska. Next question, name the organization which plans to undertake a sanitation literacy campaign to promote literacy on water sanitization and hygiene? Its answer is NABARD. Next question, how much was the base and means advances limit fixed by Government of India for the second half of FY21? 1,25,000 crore, 1,00,000 crore, 75,000 crore, 2,25,000 crore or 1,75,000 crore? Its answer is 1,25,000 crore, 1,25,000 rupees. Next question, India plans to build 100-bedded cancer hospital and 22,000-seater cricket stadium in which country? Nepal, Mauritius, Mali, Bangladesh or Maldives? Its answer is Maldives. Next question, which is the first Indian state to ban sale of unpacked loose cigarettes and BDs? Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP or Haryana? Its answer is Maharashtra. Next question, the Industrial Relations Code 2020 is the combination of which among the following? Trade Unions Act 1926, Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act 1946, Industrial Dispute Act 1947, both 1 and 2 or all 3? Its answer is all 3. Next question, which ministry launched Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission ASIM recently? Its answer is Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry. Next question, who has inaugurated 23 road and bridges projects worth rupees 73 roads in Jammu and Kashmir recently? Jiten Singh, Jwalaram, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Arjun Munda. Its answer is Jitendra Singh. Next question, which country has committed $1.9 million to India to support informal sector workers, micro enterprises? Japan, US, Spain, Denmark or Iran? Its answer is United States. Next question, how much was allocated by NABARD for a special refinance scheme to support the government's WASH program for FY21? 8 crore rupees, 7 crore rupees, 700 crore rupees, 500 crore rupees, 600 crore rupees or 400 crore rupees? Its answer is 800 crore rupees. Next question, who heads the 3-member interim committee of directors constituted by RBI to run Dhanlaxmi Bank? P.K. Vijay Kumar, G. Rajagopalan Nair, G. Subramania Iyer, A.K. Mishra. Its answer is G. Subramania Iyer. Next question, name the Chemicals and Fertilizers Ministers of India who addressed the CII Life Science Conclave 2020 recently? Narendra Singh Tomar, Thawarchand Gehlot, Ramvilas Paswan, D.V. Sadanand Gowda, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Its answer is D.V. Sadanand Gowda. Next question, who led the delegation of 19th round of foreign office consultations between India and Myanmar? Lalit Mansingh, P. Kumaran, Harshvardhan Shringla, A.K. Singh or Navtej Sarna? Its answer is Harshvardhan Shringla. Next question, how much worth contract was signed by Ministry of Defence with Economic Explosive Limited EEL for supply of multi-mode hand grenades to Indian Army? Its answer is 409 crore. Next question, the Department of Defense of which country has approved India's request to buy $90 million worth of equipment spare parts for C-130J Super Hercules cargo aircraft? Options are Japan, US, Israel, Russia, Saudi Arabia. Its answer is US. Thanks for watching this session.